A new court payment system has been implemented. It's been implemented by the Office of Court Compliance, which was recently created to engage in the collection efforts to try to get these debts that are owed to the courts. Unfortunately, we've seen a lot of problems with the way that the court payment system is being implemented. The problems that we've been seeing with implementation of the new court payment system is collection of debts that are not actually owed. For instance, people are being billed for supervision fees that were actually waived by the sentencing judge, and in particular, CLS has assisted one individual whom this has affected, who had been unknowingly paying off costs and fines that were not even hers. It was a case of mistaken identity.
We are really pleased with the court's willingness to work with us to make sure that the collection process is fair. One of the issues that we are very concerned about relates to people owing these fines and costs from a conviction, for example, in 1990. They're very old, and many of our clients aren't aware of the dollar amount. They've been informed by probation department that their case was closed. So they think everything's fine, and then 15 years later or 20 years later, they're getting paperwork or they're getting phone calls from the collection agency trying to get them to pay, and they're completely befuddled as to the basis for the amounts that they are being told that they owe.
People should absolutely try to find out if they owe anything, what they owe, and to get into a payment plan that they can afford as soon as possible. It's not required that you pay exactly the amount that the court is asking you to pay. It is your right to pay only what you are able to pay each month, and that is absolutely something that people have the right to a payment plan conference to determine.
Could you read me the number off that?
I thought we'd come read the newspaper.